Welcome to the Sarah Fit Show, the latest healthy living info brought to you by sarahfit.com. Today I'm answering a question from a viewer that was submitted using the moderator feature on my YouTube channel. Today's question comes from Rabbit Footy, and he or she says she knows that you're not supposed to late night eat, but what is the best low calorie food that you can eat at night? If you are consuming less than 1,200 calories by nighttime, it's perfectly okay to have, 200 calories or however many calories you consume so that you're eating a healthy number of calories. So if you're really restricting yourself during the day and you find that you're starving at night, you either need to eat a little bit more throughout the day so that you're not so hungry at night, or have something small that will tide you over until you fall asleep. You want to wake up in the morning feeling a little bit hungry. If you don't, that means you're eating too much at night. So some snacks that I recommend are some air-popped popcorn, some fruit like an apple, or have a cup of tea with some almond milk. Now, the reason why these are my suggestions are that the tea relaxes you, and sometimes you might not actually be hungry, and so that way the tea will just occupy yourself for the time being. And the fruit and the air pop popcorn has a lot of volume. So if you tend to eat mindlessly at night, that's a great way to kind of satisfy your hand going into like a bag and wanting to eat something. The fruit has a little bit of sweetness, so if you want something sweet and desserty, the fruit's a good way to go. And also, both the fruit and the popcorn have a little bit of carbs, and if you eat some carbs before you go to bed, you'll sleep better. You'll find that it helps you fall asleep. A lot of times when I try to eat less carbs, I have a hard time falling asleep. So have some carbs so you can fall asleep late at night. I hope this answered your question, and if any of you have any more questions, feel free to submit one using the moderator feature on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you know someone who you think might like these videos, send one to them as well. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you guys real soon.